In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create items on monday.com. Let's start at the beginning. Open monday.com and sign in to your workspace. Once you're in, look to the left side of your screen where your boards are listed. A board is where your team tracks related work, so choose the board where this new task or record belongs and click to open it. Now let's add a new item, which is monday.com's term for a task, request, or deliverable. You can create an item in two common ways. At the top, you'll usually see a blue new item button. Click that to add a fresh row to your board. If you're working within a specific group on the board and want the item to appear at the bottom of that group, scroll down and click Add Item below. Both options do the same thing. Choose whichever placement makes the most sense for your workflow. Give your item a clear, descriptive name. Think about what will help your teammates recognize it at a glance, such as including a client name, a due date keyword, or a deliverable type. A good name makes the board easier to scan and keeps everyone aligned. With the item created, you can post an update. Click into the item's updates area and write a short note explaining the context, the goal, or any key instructions. This is a great place to capture decisions, link to resources, and keep conversations tied to the work itself so details don't get lost. Next, assign people. Use the people column to select the teammate or teammates responsible. Assigning ownership ensures notifications go to the right person and makes it clear who's driving the work forward. Set the status to reflect where things stand, like not started, working on it, or done. Statuses are color-coded to make progress easy to understand at a glance. Pick the label that best matches your team's process on this board. Choose a date so deadlines are visible and trackable. Open the date column, select the appropriate day from the calendar, and confirm. If your team uses this as a due date, make sure it matches any external timeline you're working against. Finally, add a file if there's a brief, image, spreadsheet, or any supporting document. Attach it directly to the item so teammates can find everything in one place without digging through messages. And that's it. You've signed in, opened the right board, created an item, named it, posted an update, assigned the right people, set the status, selected a date, and attached a file. Save your changes, and you're ready to move the work forward.